And gentlemen of YouTube, Dad here from Dad Simply Cooking. And today I'm gonna show y'all how to make the best, most tastiest, spectacular breakfast quesadilla. Things we're gonna need some bacon. This is some apple thick cut bacon. I'm gonna be using the smoked sausage today, Johnsonville. 10 out of 10. I got some cheese sauce. Some cream cheese spread. Wonder what that's for. Some spicy chipotle quesadilla mix. Some pepper jack and some regular 3 blend cheese. I was gonna say it's cousin, but his cousin didn't come, so it's fine. And I got some eggs and your tortillas. What we're gonna start with first, get a pan. Get your oven heated to 350 degrees. I'm gonna spray. We're gonna get our bacon onto that pan. So, get my bacon on my pan, on into that 350 degree oven until it's ready. All right, next, let's get our smoked sausage chopped on up. That way we can get it cooked on down. It's already cooked, but you know what I mean. Cooked a little bit better. So there, we want small chunks. That's the main thing with this. You can do big chunks if you want. I prefer the small chunks. My kids absolutely love smoked sausage. So this is their favorite sausage and my favorite sausage, if I'm being honest. One of my favorite breakfast items. Trying something new with the camera today. Switching things up. We'll grab my pan. So we got smoked sausage all chopped up. And throw it onto our oven, our stove, and let it get cooked up nice and good. Go ahead and get your eggs. We'll start cracking them bad boys on open. 6, 7 for good buck. Go ahead and scramble them eggs right on up. Then get them scrambled. We're going to add a tablespoon of milk. A little bit of milk, a little bit of that Duke mayonnaise, just a little bit. That's it. Mix that on up. Our sausage is starting to sizzle. Voila. Get them set to the side and ready to roll. I'll grab my clear bowl. Grab my whipped cream cheese. I got a little bit of this cheese sauce, queso sauce. I'm going to heat up in the microwave for a second. Really about 30 seconds. So I'm going to add a little bit of my queso blanca cheese on in with my whipped cream cheese. And then add some of my chipotle. This is chipotle creamy sauce from Taco Bell. Grab our bacon. Bacon done. You got my eggs here. I'm gonna go ahead and get my eggs onto my pan to get them cooked on down for a good old scramble. Now my bacon, and we get some paper towels, and I want to go ahead and get them drying up. Get them out of that bacon grease. Get them ready. So now we're gonna do what the Avengers did. We're gonna assemble. Okay, that's our main thing. Take my cream cheese spread. I'm just gonna put it on my quesadilla or my tortilla. I'm gonna spread it on out. Use some of that 3 cheese blend. Grab my sausage. I'm just going to start to assemble. And then grab my bacon, and I'm just going to, it's crispy. So I'm going to crunch it up. So my eggs, and simply just start plopping a little bit up there. Just like that. Now, keep your oven preheated at 350. I wiped down a lot of the bacon grease with a paper towel off my pan. I'm going to reuse that pan though, and I want that grease. All right, so now I'm just going to fold this on over. And I'm going to put it on that pan. So I folded it. Good. We're going to pop these in the oven and have a good time. So our quesadillas have just come out of the oven, and they're looking good and crispy because they've been cooking at 350. See that minute run? There they are. This one's the kids. Look at the underside. That underside is perfect. The inside, oh, now that underside, oh, it's so good. Look at that. Look at the inside. Oh. All right. So now it's that time we've all been waiting for. The delicious conclusion of this delicious breakfast quesadilla. That's money. Fantastic. I appreciate y'all being here. I appreciate y'all watching this video. Make sure you tune in for Sunday's video. It's going to be with my mom. We're doing a collaboration. Thank y'all so much for liking, commenting, subscribing, being part of my community. I love you, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.